Hello, this is Brendan Kirshner. Today I am talking about one of three free apps that you can get through Google or any other web browser on your Microsoft device. This one is PC Part Picker. So basically I use PC Part Picker for my own personal business just for fun, to either design a computer that I want to possibly build or to look at other people's builds that they have made. I also used this to create Mr. Hibbs' computer that we ordered the parts for to build. So a step-by-step instructions, just kind of how you use it. You could go to the build guides. Here you have System Builder, build guides, completed builds, and browsing other products. But I'm just going to go to the System Builder, show you guys that. Okay, so as you can see up here, it'll say like the estimated wattage and everything after you add it. And next to everything, you can choose your CPU. So I'm just going to like choose a random CPU that pops up here on the list of products. And it'll come up with a large list of items that you can use for your disposal. I'm just going to add a Ryzen 5. Okay, and it'll show you the base price, the shipping, and the price at the end of it if it added shipping, and it'll find and search through the web for an area where you would want it from, and it'll buy it. And as you can see, it's going to buy it from Best Buy here. So you can do it for everything else: CPU, cooler, motherboard, memory, storage, video card, and it will give you the total at the end here. And you can also add your accessories like for your extra fans, your headphones, and your keyboard. Yeah, it's really great, and you should check it out.